Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And I have very big news for you. I'm gathering all of my part numbers that they requested to get it to the shop. So we're going to get it here soon. But all the boxes are open, cracked open. So I'll just go through and run through everything that we've got here. And man, it might take a while because there's a lot of stuff to run through here. Some of the boxes I didn't even open yet that came in with the supercharger. So I got all bunch of goodies there. But basically what we have in here in box number 1, we have all sorts of fun stuff. We have dun, 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 our big old beefy Molnar rods and the MMX Modern Muscle Extreme forged pistons. Got our big old package there, and then it comes with, you know, all the other knickknacks and doodads, bearings and everything for the rods, and all sorts of fun stuff. Now let's head out here and see what the dealio is with this. All right, out here in Pop's garage, you can see here, got all sorts of goodies. There's some of the hoses. Like I said, I could go on forever and ever opening stuff. There's stuff that I didn't even open yet. What's in this box? Oh my God. Holy crap. Holy shnikes. So, I got all sorts of stuff in these boxes. I have to set you guys down here for a minute and open some of it because I gotta skew part numbers off of all of this stuff. So, it is gonna take a minute. So, give me 1 second and let me get some of this stuff out of the boxes so we can actually see what we're working with. All right, so we went ahead, we got a little more into it, opened everything up, checked everything out. Everything is cool. Got our instructions, a Whipple supercharger plate, some cool stickers. I also got straight badges. Now they're really big, but we might find somewhere on the scat pack to throw that. Because I got 2 of them and they're big, but it would look cool. So we got all of our other stuff. Diagnostic tool. Let's see what was in here. Oh yeah. MSD, programmable fuel pump voltage controller. Might just have them throw on an actual fuel pump instead of just monitoring the voltage of the stock one. But it did come with these little bitties. Heck yeah, I don't know what size they are. Whatever came with the kit. But we got our new injectors there. That's pretty cool. Got our new intake. New tensioner, bunch of bracketing for the intake here, bunch of wiring harness. Oh yeah, and then we got more oil management stuff there. Thing is gonna be freaking sweet, man. All of the odds and ends, parts, bolts, new belt, which I was wondering if that was gonna come with a new belt or not. And then we got the rest of our odds and ends, crank breather, all sorts of stuff here, all of our hosing. And then, course, you need some good cooling with one of these. So we got that there. And then the part we've all been waiting for. Let me put all this stuff back in this box real quick, and we'll show you the monster itself. And of course, the time we've all been waiting for. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this beast. Oh my God. Aren't you a thing of beauty? Holy Jesus. Thing weighs a dang ton. But she is magnificent looking, isn't she? Pulley gonna go there. Oh yeah. I am thrilled. That thing is big, man. That is a big, beautiful piece of machinery. Just look at my hand compared to it. It is so big. So big. So we got a lot of exciting stuff coming up. And as you saw from the previous video, we did just add an STI to the mix of things and the fun of it. And yes, indeed, we're gonna start bringing some more content. I've been slacking on that category, but with all the things that have just took full circle ever so quickly, there is gonna be no shortage of fun here. So, like I said in the last video, hold on here. That girl there, we're gonna be doing some stuff to her too. This is gonna be a slow moving project. So basically, I wanna try to make it something, interact with you guys out there with the channel. So basically, this girl is gonna be every bit as yours as it is mine. So make sure you comment, part numbers, you know, all sorts of requests, what we should do to this thing. Comment down below. I'm gonna make a new Instagram for the old girls. Gonna be under Speed Freak 570, just like the YouTube channel. So make sure you go out and hunt that, because we're gonna be bringing pictures, all sorts of stuff as things progress forward. That's how you can DM me if you want to about the STI and or more in-depth spec on the charger build, because I know I just showed you a ton, and I mean a ton of parts for this thing, but just the tip of the iceberg. It's gonna be exciting. This car is gonna be phenomenally fast. It's gonna be my race car. The STI is gonna be somewhat of a daily driver until I get bored with it being slow, because it is slow. So I always thought they were fast. When I had one before, it was the first, you know, fast-ish car I had. I had an FJ Cruiser, and then I got rid of that for an FRS, and then I got rid of the FRS for the STI. So back when I first had an STI, I was like, oh my God, it's so fast. After owning a Mustang and that Charger, no, it's not that fast. They're not fast. And once I get this monster put in and installed, it really is not gonna be fast. The Charger will be. So we're excited for all of that. But anyway, I started kind of rambling. So don't forget, let me know about the STI. Let me know what you think about this beauty, because this is gonna make a ton of power, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. We're gonna take a drag race, and maybe once or twice or many times. We'll see once everything gets broken in and running good. Might just make it a weekend racer and get a new set of radials for it, or even flat out slicks. We'll see what kind of times we run, and I mean, with the times that we're gonna be running with that, I hope so anyway. We might have to be looking into getting a cage put in, if we're going to decide to drag race it. Hint, hint, possibly gonna happen. Depending on a couple outcomes and a couple different things, but it is what it is. We have an STI now to drive around on a daily, so we don't have to worry about that and keeping that fully functionable. We can just kind of do what we want with it now, which I was really wanting a car to be able to do that anyway. So now that we have the freedom and the liberty to just build it as much as we want and even put a cage in if we want, and it not having to be practical, everything's just happening so fast and it's awesome. But anyway, got one badass Charger coming up on the chopping block, and we have one badass STI that's not really all that badass yet, but it's a bone stock 2015 STI that we are going to be looking to get some stuff done to this pig, and we want your help to do it. So throw down in the comments your input, what you would like to see done to it. Anything, coils, wheels, different wing. I'm looking at a sick chassis mount for it right now, but exhaust parts. We're not gonna go anything crazy as far as built motor, bigger turbo. Not gonna be doing anything insane like that, but we will style this thing up. We'll make it really awesome looking and make it sound really nice. Maybe do full exhaust, get her tuned, see if we can't break 300 horsepower to the wheel. Just have it a nice, easy cruising street car that looks nice and has a little bit of power. But we all know what we're gonna do if that thing loses in a race. That's right, we're gonna swap it out for the Charger and run them again, and that'll be the end of that. So anyway, that's all we have time for today. We're going to go box all this stuff back up. We're going to send that email into the shop, and we are going to get this Charger built ASAP, so then we can get back with the installed product and get it to the track and get some more interesting content for you guys. Anyway, we're signing off after that, so hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to leave some comments down below on what you think of everything I just went over in this video, because it was a lot and I don't really feel like rambling on the list again. So don't forget to subscribe as well, and we'll catch you later.